Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for the 2011 RAV4. I'm going to be changing the transmission fluid on it. For all you do-it-yourselfers, it's really easy. It's just drain and fill, just like an oil change. We got the recommended Toyota fluid, whatever this is. Got it from Napa, so I'm doing a video on it. We're going to get it up on the ramps here in a second, and we're just going to drain it and fill it. We're going to be using a empty washer fluid bottle to see exactly how much comes out of it. Because if you know exactly how much came out of it, you know exactly how much to put back in. As long as the level was fine when you started, and it makes it a lot easier. You don't have to sit there and check the level back and forth. So let's get started. Alright guys, that's the easiest way to change the transmission fluid on a 2011 RAV4. A lot of the Toyotas are like that. Just drain and fill. Like I said, measure it out when it comes out. That way you don't really have to measure when it goes in. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like. Have a good night.